So we're going to be harvesting out here end of September-ish. So we have some time to maybe think about this, but obviously we have some considerations to make when we bring the combines out to harvest. From a research trial perspective, what we love is, a pass up and down each plot with the combine. And ideally we want one combine that's equal across all treatments. We want that combine calibrated. And we also want, weigh scales and stuff to post-calibrate data if we need to when we bring it into a My John Deere system. So ideally for trial-wise, we want, just like I said, one combine, really just following where the seeder went. But we also have a whole field here of demo and trial to play with, and we have so many combine options available to us. So I think there's some exciting opportunities for us to put some equipment to work. Trevor, what's your kind of perspective?
Well, I agree with you. If we want the best data, one combine should do all of the trial passes. So as I've been thinking about how to manage this and still do it in a reasonable time frame, we would get things opened up and figure out our pass lengths, and our combines can come and we can have them opened up on each end, and all that we have to do is run the pass there and back once all the plots are opened up, and then we can complete the strips in between in the fill-in areas once the trial is finished. We're running, the exciting part for me is we're running just a slightly smaller combine, S680s with 40-foot headers, and I want to compare the straw management with the 40-foot head versus the 790s now with the 45. We're going to do some fall tillage, or the plan is to do some fall tillage, trying to balance out the seed bed for next season's planting. So the 45-foot up and down, I think it'll give us some good data as well, that we can see what else do we have to worry about as we manage these crops and so on for planting next year. So I think the easiest or the most consistent will be, we're going to have a calibrated grain cart here. It's not a small plot cart, but it's not a small plot trial either.
No.
So I think that we'll dedicate the grain cart to the one combine that'll do the 6 different trials. And we should have as real of data as we could probably hope for.
Mm-hmm. No, I agree 100%. If we, open things up, get the plot shaped out, it's a very quick, effective way to bring one drill in and combine or one combine in, excuse me. And, we kind of have this nice path almost kind of right down the middle too, whether we can, do some combine and header trials and stuff on one side and, take what we have done with the drills right to yield on the other.
Yes.
So
Yep.
I think we have lots of opportunity out here.